Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. It's your boy Dumisani again. Ngihamba ne guest yami la ayifuthi awusase guest out yami. Ngiphethe uBhungane la. Mr Sipho.
Hayi kunjani mfethu?
Mnandi mfethu.
Hayi. Sweet.
Sibingelela ama viewers ngiyabona hayi all smiles. Sibingelela ama viewers bafethu siku game yeKaizer Chiefs neMamelodi Sundowns semi final eNedbank. Yazini ngifuna nje bengifuna kahle namhlanje bengifuna uqala ngithi congratulations to Orlando Pirates ukuthi iye ku final and then ke hayi akukho kuningi esizokhuluma sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni so hayi asingene smile sakho mfoka baba siyangithusa siyangimangaza
no ngijabulela ukuthi ngibona ama changes nyana amancane yabo esike sakhuluma ngawo previously yeah especially ama subs ka coach yabo ama subs always ahlala lethu ushintsho. But I think still uyadelay kancane man ukwenza ama subs yabo bekumele ngabe before nje silala ku second half bekumele ngabe uyowenza ama sub yabo so I think kuzuloka afunda kancane yabo.
Oh yeah. Okay yeah and then masiza lana mani besikhuluma nge-lineup ukuthi the way I structure ngakhona ishiye igap enkulu emidleleni but today sibone engayenzeki futhi leyo nto leyo due to uModi uthake in lento engihlala ngikhala ngayo ukuthi man uModi out and out akathake in but ubuyile namhlanje bone ba press Sundowns bayi suffocate emidleleni umkwena nje ngimbone nge-free kick uRibera yena hayi ile yalishayele phezulu so uthini yini eshintshile kahle ku game play namhlanje.
Yeah, I think beba supportana namhlanje ne. If Sundowns iphethe ibhola you could see Chiefs ijika to a defensive mode yabo then mabaphethe ibhola baya change futhi yabo so izinto engithi ucoach kancane ngathi uyazithola yabo even though ama players yiwe nginokukhala ngawo man like nginokubona ngathi kunama player adlala kuma position wrong still yabo like njengaba Lilepo akasiphanga next and it's been a lot of games manje Lilepo nje angekho so kumele uzame ukumchange uzama into enje yabo njengoba nokuthatha uSerino ambeke ku false 9 unokumbeka ku attacking winger unokumbeka ku 9 a stick lapha ya so I think nangamanye ama player melazama kwenza le into efana lezo.
Okay asibheke ke first goal le Sundowns I think Kaizer Chiefs was all over Sundowns not exactly but ke bengabanikeza opportunity ukuthi badlale so we were not expecting ukuthi Sundowns ingakora ngalesa sikhathi lesiya so immediately mangaba qeda ukora kuyiwa ku half time then we still having ama hopes ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingabuya or kungayenzakalani mhlambe kungaba ungathola lama results namhlanje.
Yeah ihope encane benginayo ukuthi Chiefs ingabuya. And I felt like Sundowns bengal deserve goal clear first half. Not ukuthi benga deserve ukore free kick but benga deserve goal at all. Bonga checka that's the only shot ecacile ngale free kick. Other than that hayi bebahluleka nje. Bebangeke game yeah. So yeah. So nje ngifeel ukuthi Sundowns mina ngaba yikoranga nje kule game. Yebo. So I think inovuma naye kumele checke like positioning yakhe. Kule free kick ube ne blunder nyana and bekaphumile epalini. I believe if beka a step back or two beka ngal reach lapho la leya ngoba lidlule khona la.
Yeah, while we still on that, as you always complain ngovuma and ngiyam protector almost every time mangabe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs idlala even if noma bamkora. But ke somehow ngibona ngathi mani akafuna ukuthatha like man actually that responsibility yaka goalkeeper akhulume nalabantu abathethise or yabona because at the end of the day if yena akacommand iside lakhe lelana then iChiefs izohlala basenkingeni. Yini kungayenzakalani kumele yenzeni kahle ukuthi azangene lapha.
Yeah, I think kumele ama coach wakhe azama ukumfrustrate ngalento yakhe yokungabi in command because more goalkeeper man it defense melizwe nawe yabo so kumele nje wena kube uwe over loud lapha emuva kumele ibox lakho yabo so mabangamfrustrate nje ngokumreminder lezo zinto lezo ukuthi no noma adlale kahle bangathi congratulations yeah well played what mele on top of that bamtshela ukuthi still awukayenza right lento yabo izongena ekhanda then I think angeza kule level kakhulu mfethu.
deserve tough love.
Yeah.
No, yeah ne. Hey, hayi asibonge mfoka baba. Yazi Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje hayi ngiyabona ukuthi hayi for sure ake kulalela sedlini namhlanje. You celebrate. But ke yazi kuna lento lena ngithema ngithi ngiyabheka ngibona ama substitute ka coaching ngibona ngathi manje the way sekayenza ngakhona ngathi uyaqala manje uyayilahla mangabe azoqala faka bo Ox lapha yana sesiqala siluza I hope with time and Kaizer Chiefs will do it or kanjani. So do you think ukuthi ama sub ka coach asebenzile namhlanje?
Yeah, asebenzile mfethu, asebenzile. I think na kuma previous match still bewasazosebenza. Yabo, it's just that lento engikhala ngayo ukuthi usubstitute late lo coach. It's either sebamkorile or isikhathi sesiyaphela, yabo. So yiyo nje into engiyibonayo ngayo ukuthi akakabi confident enough ukuthi angenza ama subs, yabo. And ngaleso sikhathi sama sub, mina I always knew ukuthi iSundowns from the get go nje ngibonile ukuthi abekho right labantu. The way bebaluza amabhola ngakhona, the way bebaluza amapass ngakhona, I still had that thing yokuthi no iChiefs isengakora la. iChiefs isengakora because iChiefs was more hungry than iSundowns kule game.
But if you say Chiefs was more hungry than Sundowns kule game lena, okay, let's take away ama goal laga Ribeiro kwi previous game, and then I still feel ukuthi Sundowns was performing almost the same. Yabo, Chiefs has always been all over Sundowns. So siye kula manye ama game la ukuthi there was a penalty ngekho, there was an offside goal futhi yabo kula the previous 4 games nje Chiefs wadlala Sundowns. They were not convincing. Chiefs has always been all over, it's just good being a convict. So gule like gule eyanamhla nje yabo, so yini le eshintshile le ukuthi manje kuyenza ukuthi be sure ukuthi amani Kaizer Chiefs is going to win today.
Yazi going to the last game of the season bayazi nabo ukuthi this is the last chance ayiseke edlula le, so elikini abayenze kahle bazo struggle ukungena ku top 8 especially if lama team angasemuva ya win. So le ila khona ngeke ba rely to any team, mele bona bazidlalele bayizwinele iNetbank, yabo. So bayazi if bozwile interview kaDuba ushilo wathi icup esifocus kuyo le manje yiyo into esine believe ukuthi singayiwina because eyokugcina ayikho enye, yabo. So badlalela impilo zabo manje.
Hayi no, ngiyakuzwa mfoka Bhungane. And then siya kwi final neBhakane.
Hey, yeah, tricky one because kuzoqala kube league match, yabo. So I think bazofuna ukufundana lapho. And remember the previous derby be close, yabo. iPirates yawina ngepenalty. So yeah, I think sizoba ne final exciting.
Futhi izoba exciting.
Hayi izoba exciting.
Ngizothi sacrifice one of the 2 games iphi yona kanje?
Ngisacrifice league ngifuna Nedbank.
Oh ba 3 points. Hayi ne. So okay, mina ngifuna kahle ufake ikhanda on the block baba. Uthini uyayithatha Nedbank?
Hayi Nedbank sibuya nayo mfethu.
Ubuya nayo?
Hayi Nedbank sibuya nayo.
Shaya iBhakane.
Shaya iBhakane mfethu. Sko. Hayi iBhakane sobaxolela 3-1.
3-1.
Yeah.
Hayi ne yazi le at least ikhona on record yabo.
Yeah.
And ngisho ukuthi ngizoba nginawe ngalelo langa lelo mangabe sesiphakamisa iNetbank. Asibonge kuma viewers Hotmani ukuthi basilandele sonke lesikhathi lesi ba subscribe support yabo, it means a lot.
Hayi sibonga kakhulu nilokune chafaza lapho mfethu.
Ni subscribe. Hayi siyabonga bafowethu Timeline Retro Sports. Ciao.